Okay, here we are. We are opening the box, and I'm already super excited. Here you go, the logo. I'm super excited because I am a huge The Walking Dead fan, as you may know. So let's keep rolling. There you go. I have take it off the box. There's a box. And here's the limited edition with a tree walker. So we're gonna, there's a little bit of light there. It says The Walking Dead, the complete 4-season 5 disc set with the tree walker, which looks pretty awesome. So okay, and here's one side with the same thing. Another look of the, let's see over here. We have like the description of it. Oh, that's my shoes. Didn't know were so loud. So there's a description, what you will get with these bonus features inside The Walking Dead. I am going to be uploading everything I can to the channel. Maybe not to this one since it already have some troubles, but you know, there's always a way for us to get online. There's the other side, and we're back to the front. We have the back here. Yeah, the thing there. Okay, I'm gonna open it now. Okay guys, here we go. I'm gonna be doing the unboxing. I have some scissors here to help me out since I buy my nails and I can. Here we go. And here we go. Let's open up. And the first thing we see is the Blu-ray. Has a pretty cool art cover. Here we go. That's it. Blu-ray Digital HD Ultraviolet. That's pretty cool. See over here. The Walking Dead 5 disc set. And the back has pretty cool pictures, I think. And sterile. My hands are all shaking. Michonne, Rick and Carl. And the features, like I say, I will be uploading. And okay, here, same thing. Okay, and here we go. See, this is not the first one we get. Rick and Carl. We have Maggie and let's take this off. Maggie and Glenn. Also got his name. And we have the Michonne and Rick. Let's put it back. I don't want to break it or anything. It can be very clumsy sometimes, so okay. And on this side, let's see first. We have the Governor and Herschel. Rest in peace, Herschel. I hate you, Governor. I don't. He was crazy. Have Tyrese and Carol. Don't make me look at the flowers, Carol. Tyrese. Don't look at the flowers, Tyrese. Whatever she says, don't look at the flowers. And the two more badass characters on this show. Well, Rick is also badass, but you know what I mean. Daryl and Michonne looking pretty serious. And we have I think it's a Daryl. Come on. Okay. Oh yeah. He's so cute. Okay, don't mind me fangirling over Norman Reedus. Okay, then we have what it contains. And that stuff. And what is this? 10, 12, 14. Okay. Candles. That's pretty cool. I think that's the premiere date, right? Yeah. October 12th. 2 times your front thing. Then this is just promotion things. I want you guys to use a code. I won't show you the code because I am actually gonna do it. Okay, so that's the DVD. Sorry, Blu-ray. There's my scissors. Okay, and now we're gonna be open this. There's the box. A box on top of a box, and here's the inside. Let's see. Okay, there's nothing here. AMC. And oops, that's okay. Here we go. There's a tree walker, looking badass. Oh, it's a little bit heavy. AMC. Okay. And here's the cool part. Sorry about that. And here we have it. The Walking Dead Season 4 Tree Walker. Hello, you. Look at his eye. The arm, you can actually move the arm, which is really cool. Some guts there. There's nothing here. You can't move the other one. Oh, you can move his head too. Oh, look. Look at that. You move his head, then it goes there. Yeah, you can move it to the other side. Now that's pretty cool. There's a little bit of, let's see. That's really cool. This is the back, just black. And you have the opening here so you can put your DVD. We'll put it a little bit later. There you go. Coral. Okay, let's put the DVD in. I'm sorry, the Blu-ray. I don't know why I keep saying DVD. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Oh! Okay, when you... Oh, that's so cool. Let me see if I can get it. When you take it out, see the hand's there? When you take it out, oh god, the hand goes down. Now that is cool. See? You put it in, the guy moves. You put it out. See? That's really cool. Okay guys, so that's it. pretty badass tree walker. So don't forget to subscribe to this new channel, and yeah, leave a comment. I don't know if you're gonna buy this. It's 80 bucks. It's a little bit expensive, but I don't know, I think it's worth it. If you leave a comment if you're gonna buy it or if you don't. And yeah, keep supporting the channel as you have been, and we'll see you next time. And bye bye.